Hi friends, how are you today? Can you see the smiling face? How are you feeling today? Are you happy just like the smiling face? I hope so. So today friends, we're going to learn the letter T. Now friends, the letter T makes the sound T, T, T. Can you make the sound with me? T makes the sound T, T, T. So let's look at some pictures that begins with the letter T or the sound T, T. First, let's look at the word table. Table. Table begins with the letter T or the beginning sound T, T. Next, the word beginning with the T sound or the letter T is tiger. Tiger. Then there's the word turkey. Turkey. T, T, turkey. These are just some examples of words beginning with the letter T or the T sound. Can you find the picture truck in this picture? Can you find the picture turtle? How about the tree? There's actually a lot more words beginning with the letter T. Okay friends, so those were just some examples of words beginning with the letter T. We'll learn some more during class time. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.